BIBO's Day at the Beach. Today, BIBO the bear, Sarah the sheep, Paulo the pig, and Mino the monkey are going to the beach. But the beach is boring. Is there anything interesting there? BIBO wonders. At the beach, BIBO finds a seashell. It is rough on the outside. I wonder what else we can find, he says as he pops it into his bucket. Mino spots a smooth, oval rock with a round hole through the middle. He pops it into BIBO's bucket. Wonderful! Paulo finds a stick. It is wooden and coarse. Paulo pops it into BIBO's bucket as well. Awesome! And Sarah has found a washed-up seaweed. It is stretchy and soft. She also puts it in BIBO's bucket. Superb! BIBO looks inside his beach treasure bucket. The beach isn't boring at